What's the meaning of configuration? Configuration. Configuration.
Configuration. Configuration. Configuration refers to the arrangement or setup of something, such as a system, device, or software. It deals with the settings, parameters, and options that determine the behavior and functionality of the system or application. Configuration can be thought of as the way in which different components of a system are combined and arranged to achieve a specific goal or performance. In other words, it's like the blueprint or recipe that defines how a system should behave and operate. The proper configuration of a system can ensure optimal performance, security, and reliability.